We have got a room temperature and humidity sensor which is offered by Siemens, and this is QFA2060. In this we have different models available, the same family, which is 2000 or 2001, 2020. The changes will be majorly onto the analog output or to the temperature limit or to the operating voltage. So this one basically is a without display transmitter for temperature and humidity, which has got a range of temperature -15 to +50 degrees Celsius and 0 to 95% RH on non-condensing atmosphere. It is majorly used in the building automation and control system. This can be connected to the PLC or the SCADA system or any acquisition system, since it has got 0 to 10 volts output or 4 to 20 milliamps analog output, which can be jumper settable. At the back, if you see this particular device, we have got this connection option provided. This takes input of DC 13.5 volts to 35 volts or AC 24 volts. The accuracy for the temperature and RH is plus or minus 3%. This also comes in a display option, and this can be wall mounted or space mounted based on the requirement as it is. Now this Siemens also has duct mounted temperature and humidity sensors based on how the application is and how the HVAC system is basically.